Vegas couple hopes to turn their disjointed basement into a game room on the Old West theme.
We're hoping to have some saloon doors.
It's easels at dawn as local designers duel to come up with the best plan. Once they eat on it, they can't back off. Stay tuned. Welcome to Designer's Channel. I'm Chris Harris. Mary Harris shows play just minutes from the Las Vegas Strip. The love, variety, and excitement